Hello.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Please, Daddy.
Hello.
Bye.
Hi, Rachel.
I'm gonna die today.
Why?
Because Sarah's her mother.
What?
I'm her daughter.
Yeah.
Bye.
Where are my girls? Where are my girls? Where's the door? Girls, where are you? Hello. Hello.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Try to find the skin. Open the door.
Okay.
I'll keep it shut. May come in.
Oh, good.
You knock on the door so you can come in.
Hi.
May come in.
You may come in.
Hello, everybody.
Come
going on
in. Come
here?
in. Come in. Come in. Sit right
I
there.
don't know if there's room.
Yes.
We'll move
Oh, here,
over.
I'll come in.